Привет, ребята! Сегодня я буду вас учить adding and subtracting fractions. For a recipe, Matthias needs 3/4 cups of flour, 1/4 cups of sugar, and 2/4 cups of butter. What fraction of the recipe is all together? Alright, first, if all together, we need to add the ingredients. So 3/4, let's write out 3/4 is here, plus, what is the next? 1/4. 1/4 plus 2/4. 2/4. Now, when we added, remember, we have to add the numerator. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So that means it's 6. Now, some people get confused and they add the denominators. Well, that won't happen. We don't add the denominators. Denominators stay the same. So if you have a notebook, you can write denominators stay the same. So denominators stay the same. So we just put it here. So our answer is 6/4. Now I want to just talk. This is an improper fraction. Now, why is it an improper fraction? Well, that's because there are the 4 is the denominator and the 6 is the numerator, and the numerator is bigger than the denominator, which won't happen. Like, look. Let's draw a cube. And now 1. We need to check 6. 2, 3, 4. Where could we check 2 more? We have to add 2 more. So that's why it is called an improper fraction. So he needs 6/4. So we have another problem. What is 6/8 plus 3/8? Alright, we're having options out here. If you choose A, is gonna be 5/8. B is going to be 9/8. C is going to be 9/16. And D is going to be 9/12. So, you choose. What is 6/8 plus 3/8? A, B, C, or D? Alright, I give you some time to choose. Now, after you choose, we're going to review the answer. Alright, now let's review the answer. I think some of you might get this one right, and some might get it wrong. but it's important to learn. Alright, so our answer for here, let's see. Let's put a line. What is 6 plus 3? 9. So automatically A is not the answer. Now, some people get really tricked. Well, if you go back to your notes and if you copy those notes, the denominators stay the same. So we cross out this one. This doesn't say. Well, it's throwing out Z. The denominator, even not, is close to this. If you add 8 plus 8, it's going to be 16. But the denominator stayed the same. So the answer is B. The answer is 9/8. So that's what we learned. That this is about adding. Now let's try subtracting. Let's try 9/8 minus. It's gonna be 6/8. Okay, this is a really simple one. So 9/8 minus 6/8. Figure out that. But also we can. So we're gonna. How I do it, I'm gonna teach you now how to subtract fractions. Subtracting is just like adding, you just subtract. And what is the same for subtracting and adding is denominators stay the same. So what is 9 minus 6? 3. Now we don't, if it'll be 0, that'll be an improper fraction, but we don't do it. Remember, the denominators stay the same, so it's 3/8. Alright, you get it? Let's try another one. 9/10 minus 8/10. This is pretty easy. Equals 1/10. 1/10. You know why? 9 minus 8. 1. 10 minus 10. Oh, we keep the denominators the same. Now we do a question. What is 4/8 minus 3/8? Alright. If you chose A, it's going to be, let's do 1/8. Alright. B, 1, 0. C, 1/8. Oh wait, I'm gonna do the, 2/8. And Z is going to be 4/8. Alright. Well, you could choose. Alright. Let's review our answer. Let's see. What is 4 minus 3? 1. Remember, denominators stay the same. 8. So, it's remember, denominators stay the same, so B goes out. 4 minus 3 is not 2. And 5 minus 3 is definitely not this. So the correct answer is A. Now you know how to add and subtract fractions. Bye!